In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on your Ticketmaster account. If you need to update the phone number connected to your account, the process is usually quick and can be done directly from your account settings. This is important because your phone number may be used for account verification, security alerts, and sign-in confirmation, so keeping it current helps you avoid problems later. To get started, go to the Ticketmaster website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one email or ticketing profile. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it, and then go to My Account. This is where Ticketmaster keeps your personal details and account preferences. Inside your account, open the profile section or account settings depending on how the page appears on your device. The layout can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but you're looking for the area where your personal contact information is stored. Next, find the phone number section. This should display the number currently linked to your Ticketmaster account. When you locate it, select Edit or Update. The wording may differ slightly, but the goal is the same, to make changes to your current phone number. Now enter your new phone number carefully. It's a good idea to double check the digits before moving forward, since an incorrect number could prevent you from receiving verification messages or account-related notifications. After entering the new number, complete any verification steps Ticketmaster requires. In many cases, this means entering a code sent to your phone by text message. If that happens, check your messages, retrieve the code, and type it in exactly as shown. If the message takes a moment to arrive, wait a few seconds and make sure your phone has signal. Once verification is complete, save your changes. This final step confirms the update and applies your new phone number to the account. And that's it. Your Ticketmaster phone number should now be updated. If you run into any trouble during verification or don't see the option to edit your number, try refreshing the page or signing in again before attempting the process one more time. Keeping your contact information up to date is a simple but important